if there's one thing that's 100% certain, if you live in the northeast of the United States or any part of the country or any country around the world that has actual seasons, is that the roads are going to get torn up. And look what I found. Guys fixing potholes. I think we should go take a look.
The key here is like any other situation, and that is to become as invisible as possible. And the only way to do this is by talking as little as possible with the subjects that you're photographing. The less talking that you do, the more they understand that you're there to cover the event, and the less likely the conversation is going to turn into, oh, what kind of camera is that? Oh, how long have you been working at the newspaper? Or whatever the case might be. I'm always looking for interesting vantage points. In this case, it was time to climb the truck. But notice, look what happens once I go over the top. Look how close I came to dropping my camera. Oh, just saved by the quick reflexes. What do you guys think happened to the bottom of my boots after standing on top of this blacktop stuff? Yeah, it was a sticky mess. Notice how slowly I make my way closer and closer to the action. Slow steps will get you right in the middle. If they are uncomfortable with your proximity, they will tell you, and in my case, I always respect it, so it's never a problem.
All right, you can see that there's quite a process to this. And what is this stuff called? Blacktop?
UPN.
UPN?
UPN.
All right, so that's called UPM. And it's very sticky, as you can see from my hand. How many pairs of boots do you guys buy a year?
Well,
because those things must get stuck to this.
this is the worst thing to do with our boots. They get on them
Yep.
in your car, in your house. You don't take them off.
Tell us your name. What's your name?
Jeff Pereira.
Louis Natal.
And how many potholes we got today?
So far, this whole airport road, probably about 30. That's one
Wow.
road. One road only.
Yeah, so it's a continuous work in progress, right?
It is.
So where are you going now? The next couple of potholes?
Yeah, a few more up the way.
All right, I'll follow you guys over. There's a lot of ways of approaching something like this, but what you want is to create images that are interesting, that make people look at the photo for just a little bit longer, you know? Because let's face it, newspapers are recycled goods, and even online, you know, people have a very limited attention span. So if you come up with one really good, interesting image, it goes a long way into getting people to care about or read the story. You can see here that the sun is right there, and I bet you at a low angle it'll make for some pretty interesting shots. So let's see. I'll drive up this road all the time, and imagine if your suspension hit that.
Right.
So thanks again, boys. I
Yep.
appreciate it. Thank you. All right, now we gotta get moving and find something else.